Bunnies, welcome to another Naked Sunday. For today's video, we're going to be talking about top 3 ways to spot a fuckboy. This is for the girls who are in a relationship and are wondering, is my man a fuckboy? First things first, if you two get into an argument and the first thing he does is leak your nudes, he's a fuckboy. Case in point, Rob Kardashian. Him and China been together. Apparently they either broke up or they had an argument or something and he decided to leak her nudes. That in itself is the definition of a fuckboy. If me and you are together and I decide to send you sexy pics, I'm pretty sure back in the day if your grandma, your grandpa, your great grandma could have done it, they would have done it too. Sexting is huge, even bigger now with 2017 going 2018. When you're sending them, you're trusting this person to not show them to his friends or her friends, to not leak them to social media or all that shit. So if your partner does that to you, he is a fuckboy. Number 2, if he quickly, if it's easy for him, if it's the tip of his tongue, calls you out of your name. If you two are having an argument for whatever reason, it could be the simplest thing or the biggest thing. If he calls you a bitch, a whore, a slut, he's a fuckboy. I'm sorry. There is no reason for you to want to call me out of my good name. Okay? My name is Lori. Kissy face. Whatever. Don't call me bitch, don't call me hoe, don't call me slut. I am none of the above. None. And if your man calls you any of these words for any reason and then the next morning he's like, oh, I love you so much, I'm so sorry, da 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 da. No. The things people say in anger, the things people say when they're drunk, those are the things that I take to heart because that is how you really feel. I don't say things that I don't mean. If I say something when I'm drunk, when I'm sober, mega back it up. If I know it hurts your feelings, I'm gonna apologize for hurting your feelings, but I'm gonna let you know that that is how I felt and I meant what I said. Number 3, final tip to know if your man is a fuckboy, if he cheats on you with basic bitches. Cheating is one thing, like I don't condone it at all, but if you're going to cheat on me with somebody either of my caliber or better, okay? You can't have one of the baddest chicks out there and then cheat on her with some chick who just don't wear makeup or don't give head or some shit. Cheat on me if you're don't cheat on me first of all, but if you're going to cheat on me with somebody who's bad as fuck, somebody who I could go if I go through your phone and I see her picture, I'm like, I would cheat on me too, you know. Yeah. Those are my top 3 tips on finding out if your boy is a fuckboy. If you have any more tips, leave them in the comment section below. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. If you have a question that you're too embarrassed to ask, if you have a question that you want to ask, if you're too embarrassed to leave in the comment section, send me an email. It's in the description bar. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.